And it's about, you'll hear Pádraig, who's just St Partrick, and he's never called St Partrick in Irish, he's just called Pádraig, there's no call, they call him a saint. And Oisean, who is called in English Oisín, but in Irish it's always called Oisean. I'm sure he's called Oisín somewhere. And you'll hear, what else you hear, but this, and the bit of Féinne. So, Oisín and the Féinne, Oisín after the Féinne. I'll just explain it to you now. In Irish, if you're Oisín and the Féinne, if you're an old man and all your friends have long died, so Oisín was in Ireland for hundreds of years by himself, and he did nothing but wander about to try and find the rest of the Féinne. And this day, he was at his task. So Oisín and the Féinne, the Scéal a treiaway yirig, Red Bay, in County Antrim. Nur a hannig Pádraig honey yen, he met St Partrick. Destri sé dék dia Bhriain Mhic Amhlaoibh. Dúirt sé gur sé cuirdach bhfuil chuid comrádaithe chuig a halban. Oh, han neckan to it huche, just Pádraig. Ta shed maru. You're never going to see the Féinne again. They're dead. They're all gone. Oh, ha joculo be maru. Arsa Oisín. Oisín said, how could the Féinne be dead? It was an impossible thing. He just assumed he'd lost them somehow. 200 years passed, like, it didn't seem to bother him much. Ta shed maru with your Pádraig, because hope Pádraig, Oisín gehifrin. He took him to hell. Agus haspan sé na Féinne trid le chéile gudzo, le trid le chéile. Agus bhí Oisín a rá. Oh no, beidir go mé láh an ucht ar a gal go fáil, beidir ma hasí an conan a gal, beidir go bhí drama acu láh an ucht ar a chéile. Oisín still thought maybe one group of the Féinne would win this eternal battle in hell. Ach, George Pádraig, ha diggin to. Be siad sin an sin go héig, go brach. They're going to spend eternity there. Oh, well, our noiche haro Oisín a yiri gal go hefrin, agus just rí sé dé. Well, Cé man is féidir lumsa seo a hachans. Agus dúirt Pádraig ar noiche go gaham up Christi a dhéanamh as it. Say, well, I'd have to make you a Christian. Ars Oisín mar sin leis, well, tag a maith. An féidir linn sin a dhéanamh. Dúir sé tag a maith, agus ho Pádraig, Oisín síos gan ó. Pádraig took Oisín down to the river. Agus beidir go walk a ship near Pádraig go only be on spake shogger. Tá focail seo spake. Níl sa go an focail atá. He always carried this big staff about with him. So hook sé Oisín is seach an san ó. Agus chur Pádraig an spake seach san ó. He drove it into the river. Agus hasí sé go don washtu. Started baptizing him, doing this and that. Ní tamil the seach. Agus bhí Pádraig beag na créicní agus bhui se gur an óhan dearg bhí sé dearg agus dúirt se díos ó bhfuil an óhan dearg cén fá bhfuil an óhan dearg. Why has the river turned red? Agus dúirt Oisín, well, tá má chur fála. I'm bleeding. Agus dúirt Pádraig, cé mar tú ar chur fála? Cé fá bhfuil tú chur fála? Díos bhfuil tú chur fála? To say, well, no, I to spare for my cost. When you put your staff through my foot, I've been bleeding no time. Agus dúirt Pádraig, Díos nar arsi tú, cén fá nar inis tú. Why did you not mention it up to now? Agus arsa Oisín na Pádraig, Hulma gur den wastúa. Heal me gur chudj den wastúa bhíam. I just thought it was part of the baptism.